Hello, I'm Susan McDonald from Boatshed Medway, and today I'm having a look at this Caribbean 34. So, I'll have a quick look around her. Very bright, open, airy space with very good windows. You can see all the way around, panoramic view, and even when you're sat down, you can see what's going on. Now, this vessel is very plainly decorated, creating a very nice open space and ready for the next owner if they want to actually put their own sofas in or want to make any changes. But basically the vessel is clean and tidy, new carpets, new kitchen area, and very, very spacious, as you'll see. So here we have the helm position. The boat works, and she's got an engine in the back which we'll photograph in a minute as well. You'll be able to go on boatshedmedway.com, www.boatshedmedway.com, and you'll be able to see numerous photographs of her. There is diesel heating on board as well. Kitchen here, got work surface, electric points obviously, and we've got a sink here and cupboards below and drawers. And we've got a good sized heads here, wash hand basin, toilet. Toilet is an electric toilet, so she needs 240 volts. We've got a shower, and then as we go aft, we've got a jolly good sized aft cabin here. Double beds, windows all around, potential seating and storage. We've got engine under here, and we've got our little hot water Renee system there. There's also access to the rear, as you would hope for. If you'd like to see this vessel, then please do contact us via the website. Our details are there, www.boatshedmedway.com, and you'll find lots of still shots of this vessel as well. Thank you for watching.